My name is George Carter. I'm the director of Old Sovereign Publishing. We're a traditional publishing business that takes classic books of literature and then puts original illustrations and develops them with the best materials that we have to hand. So like perfect illustration with the covering, the binding, the gold, and then all of the kind of proprietary internal illustrations for the book to produce the best version of these books that we're capable of producing. I'm currently studying medicine at Swansea, which is a graduate entry programme. Prior to that, I studied a degree in classics and a master's in philosophy. The enterprise team have been incredibly helpful in some ways that they're probably unaware of. They set up an initiative called The Big Pitch. It meant that I had to take the time to take the idea seriously enough to explain to a panel of business owners why they should think about putting money into it. That wasn't actually successful at the time, but it gave me the opportunity to kind of stress test about how to approach the business. And then ever since then, the engagement I've had with it has been nothing but helpful. They provide access to a business advisor. That business advisor allows me to test whether or not I'm actually doing the things that I say that I'm going to do over a particular time period. And then also I did actually go for more funding again in the future. Despite the failure the first time round, managing to refine the ideas with the help that's been put on offer. The Founders Fund was the initiative that the enterprise team put on after the Big Pitch. Slightly different approach in terms of how you went about making the application, but suffice to say, I went for the maximum that was on offer, which was £3,000, and the team were happy enough to put that forward. Definitely a really good opportunity during the 3 years of your study to actually test ideas. You won't get as many opportunities when you actually go out into the world of work. It's a really good opportunity to incubate ideas. The fact that you have access to the enterprise team, the funding that they have on offer, the access to the help that they have on offer, the access to business advisors. You actually won't get that once you leave Swansea in any real shape or form. So it's a real good opportunity to kind of test ideas and to see whether or not there's an addressable market for it.